This building features valet parking, a gorgeous lobby, and some of the artwork here is truly breathtaking. You can tell they put a lot into maintaining the space. And right here, it's so cute. There's a little movie theater area that is free for the residents to use. You can reserve it at no additional cost. There are a few workspaces here with Wi-Fi provided throughout. The American Airlines Stadium is located right out of that window. And there's also a printer for all residents to use as well.
Nice time. Around 3 o'clock, you get more of a shaded kind of cool area. It's a really great space to be. You can also reserve those cabanas in the back there.
Nice.
Typically, they get reserved on the weekends, but during the week, they're pretty open with those.
Are there ever pool parties here?
Yeah, we host a couple pool parties. Yeah, but it's a really nice space. Plenty of seating out there too. And then you have your grills and pizza oven over there as well. On the weekends, there's also a pool concierge. So they pass out complimentary refreshments and towels and things like that. Yeah, so this space here is going to be reservable on the app. So on the app is where you'll reserve everything. The doors can open up there. You also have a kitchen that's hidden in the back behind this wall.
Wow.
It connects to our freight elevator too. So if they want to do some catering, you can just bring it right on up, and it's all hidden behind the scenes.
That's so cool. So they keep everything nice and clean.
Yeah. So this is where you get a nice warm-up, or you even have the Epicom mirrors there, so those will
Oh, wow.
a nice little private workout for you.
Nice.
In the store, you have the entire residency workout equipment. Great view. And this whole floor is going to be reserved.
Very nice. And that's once a month, right, for all of them?
Yeah, so this space, it has a kitchen and then the back there. There's also a speaker.
B3. What is the square footage exactly? 1659. Okay. So mudroom, 2.5. Oh yeah, this is very spacious.